Okay, here we are on the racetrack and we have one Supra as the lead car and we have three Yaris GR at the back, and I'm going to drive the third one, the white one, the last one at the back there, and then they have another 4 units of the YS GRS, which is for those media who want to try it on the racetrack. So we are waiting for our time and this looks like it's going to be quite interesting.
Gentlemen, in the GR Yaris. Everybody get ready, please.
Hi everybody, here we are on the racetrack and we're going to have a convoy, and what I understand is we're going to do a sighting lap,
Remember to keep it in track mode.
and then we have
On, yeah,
then we have
because of the short wheel.
flying lap, and then we will do a cooling down lap, and all cameras are on. And I have actually 4 cameras running. We don't know if the speed will push out the camera that's up there, but here we are. 260 horsepower, 360 Newton meters of torque, manual 6-speed gearbox, all-wheel drive.
Remember to stay on the right hand side, the white line.
Okay, I think we have to slow down a bit, let them clear a little bit, otherwise we'll be too close to them. the cooling down lap now. So guys, that is the, or rather that was the GR Yaris, and the power is, well, is 260 and the torque is 360. There's a bit of a gap between second and third, and the gear shift on this particular car was a little bit sticky. I missed gear once, and well, I suppose once it's running it'll be a bit better. Now, do I like the car? Wow, tremendously. Yeah, it's a very nice car, and you really have to roll the gears a bit if you want to maximize it. And yes, it's a fun car to have, and well, if I had my druthers, would I rather have one? What do you think? But of course. Alright guys, that was our 3 laps at the Sepang Circuit. We only managed to hit 5th gear, so I don't know what 6th gear is like. And anyway, thanks for being with us, and I really love my job. Okay then, bye bye. Okay, so they're advising us not to pull the handbrake because they don't want the handbrake to jam. It's very hot, then you can warp the disc. So we'll just roll to a stop and let somebody else take over this car.
A reminder to not pull the handbrake.
Don't pull the handbrake, yeah. Okay. Alright, cameras off. Cameras off.
Thank you, Dad. It was
Okay,
fun.
that was my daughter-in-law.
Thank you for the ride.
Okay,
so,
see you.
So fun.